Rare Maserati Merak SS, restored to original glory for £100,000. A rare 1977 Maserati Merak SS has been meticulously restored to its original condition, with the bodywork alone costing an estimated £50,000. Car enthusiast Shan Habib acquired the vehicle after spotting it advertised through the Maserati Owners Club. The total investment, including the car itself, amounts to approximately £100,000. A unique Grand Tourer, the Merak SS, is a distinctive model in Maserati's lineup, distinguished by its 3-liter V6 engine. This configuration allowed for increased cabin space, making it a 2+2 Grand Tourer. The SS variant is lighter by 50 kg compared to the standard Merak, boasting upgraded performance with larger carburetors and a higher compression ratio, pushing power from 185 bhp to 215 bhp. The Merak SS is easily identified by its rear buttresses extending from the screen to the engine deck. Maserati produced around 1,000 Meraks in total, with roughly half allocated to right-hand drive markets. There are only about 30 right-hand drive models currently in the UK. Extensive restoration work prior to Habib's purchase. The car underwent a 1,000-hour body restoration completed by Blacklane Classic Cars. The restoration focused on metalwork, ensuring no filler was used to maintain authenticity. The engine was also overhauled a few years earlier, including the installation of sodium-filled valves for improved performance. The suspension and brakes received thorough makeovers, leaving only the interior as completely original. Habib jokes that the authentic smell upon opening the door is a testament to this. Modern Michelin tires were fitted, replicating the original style while utilizing updated compounds for improved ride quality. Driving experience. Despite being almost 50 years old, the Merak SS offers a comfortable driving experience. While not a high-performance supercar, it accelerates quickly and handles well in modern traffic conditions. The tall-profile tires contribute to a smoother ride, making it a practical classic for both enthusiasts and everyday use. The body sold me the car because they can be rust buckets. I paid £50,000 for the car. I reckon the body shop bill alone was that much. Shan Habib. The meticulous restoration of this rare Maserati Merak SS highlights the dedication of classic car enthusiasts and the value of preserving automotive history. The combination of rarity, performance, and now a fully restored body makes this vehicle a standout among classic Grand Tourers.